Gas system installation done. We have our cylinders secured in the metal cage. Our metal cage is mounted to the wall with robots, so no one can tamper with the cage. Even if you pull it, try and push it by force, it can't move. So what we have here is a manifold system. So we've got two valves there to allow the cylinders to run gas in series. So for you to operate, what you do, you open the proposed cylinder that you'd want to use. So once that's opened, then you open on your valve in the direction of the cylinder. Once you open the valve, then gas is now flowing, going to the inside. So once that's done, you ensure that your cage is closed and you put a lock so that even if kids are playing on the outside, they can't tamper the cylinders. If someone comes through, they can't vandalize with the cylinders. So the cage is actually to ensure that the gas cylinders are secured. Going to the inside, we have our stove positioned here on the island. So what we have, our cylinders are on the outside, just behind the window there. So our stove is here. So what we put, since you have your cylinders always open on the outside, you have an internal safety valve which is concealed in the cabinet. So once you open your valve, then gas is now flowing, going to the stove. For you to ignite your stove, you push in the knob on the inside, you turn it to the left, and your flame goes on. You push in, turn to the left, and your flame goes on. Push in, turn to the left, and your flame goes on. You need to ensure that what you're getting is an exact blue flame. This ensures to say that your gas is burning purely. So once it's on, the stove starts on high. If you keep turning to the left-hand side, which is anti-clockwise, you're actually reducing the flame. Coming back to the clockwise direction, the flame is increasing. If you go all the way, then you'd have turned it off. So for all the burners, if you turn back to the right hand direction, you're actually getting to turn off the stove. Always ensure when you're done cooking or when the stove is not in use, you ensure that you close off your internal safety valve. The purpose of you closing off your internal safety valve, in an event that maybe a kid or someone who's not conversant with the stove, they want to turn the stove on, they might push and turn it to go on, but it's only the gas that's left in the pipe. So hence you're not losing any gas and the stove is not being abused. Thank you so much. Looking forward to getting a call from you.